guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dima. If you are new on this channel, you are highly welcome, and thank you to my old subscribers for stopping by. So guys, today I'll be showing you guys how I make my banga soup, ofe akwu soup. So let me introduce you to my ingredients. Here I have red meat beef. I have this banga. This is 400 grams of already processed palm fruit extract. So this is scent leaf, dried scent leaf. See, I don't have option, I have to work with this, but normally I don't like using dried scent leaf for my banga soup. I prefer this the fresh one because you still have the fragrance and the scent, but this one, everything is dried up, and if you use this, the scent doesn't come out. But I got no choice, I have to work with this. So this is the dried fish. I've deboned it. Actually, I made this dried fish myself. If you are wondering, I will be leaving the video in the description box so you can check it out on how to make your own dried fish at home. So this is the quantity I'll be using because the banga I'm using is very small. So this is my 2 bulbs of onions. This is banga spice. It's a local spice. So this is okwe. It's called okwe, like locust beans, whatever. So this is it. So this is the spice I'll be using. Bunga. So this is crayfish. So I'll be putting all of these things together right now. I'll start off by spicing the meat and cooking it. By the way, the meat is frozen, so I'll be cooking it like this because I've been waiting for it to defrost all this while. It doesn't want to defrost, so I'm going to work with this. Alright, so let's get started. So guys, I'll start off by prepping the meat. So let's get started. So I'm putting my onion. So I'm adding my salt. Add to your taste. I like to add this black pepper in my banga soup, so I'll be using to spice the meat. So I'll go in with this mixed spice. It's for spicing meat. Just a little. I'll go in with my curry powder. Just a little. Then some thyme, dried thyme. And chicken cubes. I will be using half of this. Then I'll be adding this bunga spice. Then spices. Okay. So while my meat is cooking, I'll go ahead to pour the remaining onion for the soup. And also I'll be removing this stick from the scent leaf, because I'll be boiling this scent leaf for some time so that it becomes soft. So remove this thing before using this scent leaf. So that's what I'm trying to do right now. So guys, I'll be adding hot water to the scent leaf because I'll be cooking it. I'll be boiling it for some time to soften it. So guys, the meat is really cooking well. So I'll be adding the banga paste now, the palm fruit extract. Guys, this is what it looks like, the palm fruit extract. So I'll be going in with this. So this is how the paste looks. So this is what it's currently looking like. So I'm going to cover this up, allow it to cook so that the water can dry a little bit, because right now it's a bit watery, you can see. So I'll be covering this and I'll allow it to cook. I'll come back to check on it. So guys, let's check on our soup. This smells so good. It smells so nice. So at this point now, I'll be going in with the rest of the ingredients. So this is my dried fish. I'll go in with my onion. See how good this soup is looking. So I'll go in with the crayfish and the okpenye. Then I'll add half of the chicken cube, and I'll also add in some of the local spice, some of local banga spice. And I'll add in some the rest of the bunga. I'll give it a good stir. This soup is already looking so good and it smells so nice. I believe it must be so tasty as well. I've not tested it. I'll be adding in some ground pepper. Then I'll go in with the vegetable, the scent leaf. See how nice this looks. So I'll cover it, allow it to cook a little before I'll take it down from the fire. So guys, this is how you can make your own banga soup at home. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give me a thumb up, like and subscribe to my channel. You are free to share my video as well. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Alright, bye for now.